In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule emails effectively using the Salesforce platform. This is a convenient way to manage your communications, ensuring your messages are sent at the most opportune times. Whether you're coordinating a marketing campaign or just staying on top of client communications, scheduling your emails in advance is a powerful tool to have at your disposal. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the specific URL provided by your Salesforce environment. Once you're there, you should find yourself on the familiar Salesforce dashboard. Next, look for the Contacts section. This is where you can manage all the individuals that you communicate with through Salesforce. Clicking on Contacts will display a list of all your saved contacts, making it easy for you to choose who you'd like to email. Now it's time to select the specific contact names you wish to communicate with. Take your time here to ensure you have chosen the right people for your message. Once you're satisfied with your selections, there should be a box next to each name on the list. Go ahead and check this box to include them in your email. With your recipients checked, locate and click on the Send Email option. This will open up a new window where you can compose your message. Here, you need to input an appropriate subject line and the body of your message. Crafting a clear and engaging message will ensure your communication is both professional and effective. After composing your email, look for the Preview and Send button. Clicking this allows you to double-check your message before it goes out. It's always a good idea to review the email for any errors or necessary adjustments. Instead of sending your email immediately, choose Send Later, since this is a schedule send email tutorial. This feature is particularly useful for setting up emails to match specific time zones or ensuring that your message hits inboxes at the optimal time. Now, you need to click on the Date field. Here, you'll select your preferred date for the email to be sent. Pick a date that aligns with your communication strategy. Afterward, click on the Time field. This is where you'll set the exact time your email will be dispatched. It's crucial to consider your audience's habits and preferences when selecting a time. Next, you'll want to click on the time zone setting. Choose the time zone that best suits your recipients. This is especially important if you're dealing with an international audience or those in different regions. Finally, once everything is set up to your satisfaction, hit the Schedule button. Your email is now queued to be sent out according to the timings you selected. Congratulations, you've just successfully scheduled an email using Salesforce. By following these steps, you can manage your communications more efficiently, giving you greater control and flexibility over when your messages are received. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.